Welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can pair Motorola Sonic Boost 220 with your Android smartphone. So at first you have to grab your speaker and remember to charge it at least to the 50% before pairing. Another step, you have to click and hold this power button until this indicator right here turns to the blue. So let's make it right now. Click and hold.
Hello, Moto.
Right now you can release, and after a few seconds this icon will start blinking quickly. It means that we are in the pairing mode. So another step, it will be about opening the Bluetooth settings on our Android smartphone. Click to pair new device or just enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and right now just take a look on available devices list. As you can see right now we can select our Sonic Boost 220. After that we have to accept the pairing request, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. Just to be sure that everything is fine, tap on this gear icon and be sure that all of these three switchers are just turned on to get the audio from the phone calls, from the media and from our input device. So that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.